Hello everyone, welcome to the session. How is everyone? Hello, good to see all of you join in. Hi Shruti, hello Vishal, hi Soumya. Hello Veer, hi Anurag, namaste Suman, hi Kristen, hello Amol. Hi Meet, good evening. Welcome to the session guys. Hi Soumya, good to see you join in. Recovering, managing. Hi guys, hello, welcome to the session. Hello Suman. Hi Amol, good to see you. Hi Anshu. Hello guys. Nimisha, Monica, Sajal, Satishri, Anshu, Pratiksha, Pragati, Meet, Labhesh, Karan, Anurag, Veer, everyone. Welcome to the session guys. Labani. Hi Vishal. Hello Suman. Good evening. What is the main idea and main topic? Okay, so Vishal, that depends upon the passage. So when you say the main idea of the passage, you will generally get it through the last paragraph of the passage. So आपको last paragraph पे focus करना पड़ेगा. अच्छा, Labhesh. Okay, Labhesh. Welcome to the session. Hi, Ritik. Please get out. Hello, guys. Welcome to the session. Okay. Good to see you. Good to see you. Hi, Akriti. Hello, Dheeraj. Welcome to the session. Hi, Ritik. Okay, don't worry. विशाल आज के सेशन में भी आज के मॉक में भी मेन आइडिया के क्वेश्चंस थे. ओके, हेलो आकृति. आकृति, आई एम कमिंग टू यू. ओके, तो कल मैंने जितने भी बैकलॉग थे मैसेजेस को उसको क्लियर करना स्टार्ट किया. आई ऑलमोस्ट रिप्लाई टू 50-60 ऑफ यू. आज वापस आई विल सिट विद इट एंड आई विल गेट बैक टू ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, सो इस वीक के अंदर अंदर आप सबको रिप्लाईज मिल जाएंगे. तो ऋतिक, प्लस में हम लोग मॉक और सेक्शनल सीरीज शुरू कर रहे हैं अगले महीने. ओके, yes Pragati. So 18th ko the RC course begins, Pragati, and then from September we will start with the sectional course. Okay, no Salini, this is a mock for everyone. Hi Vishal. अच्छा, आपने क्वेश्चंस भेजे, कहाँ भेजे विशाल? अच्छा, यहाँ पे अटैच किया है. ओके, रुको देखने दो. Okay, not visible. Okay, I'll take it up at the end of the class. ठीक है, मैं आपको end of the class में समझा दूंगी इसको. Come on guys, let's start with today's session. So before we start off guys, how many of you gave the target mock? How many of you gave guys target mock? किस किसने दिया है? अंशु gave it, वीर ने दिया, अनुराग ने दिया. Okay, बाकी उन्हें guys Tuesdays mark कर लो for target. Mrinal, Neha, welcome to the session. Okay, guys, if you've not given the mock as well, it's okay. We're going to discuss. Acha, no problem, Salini. Next time, say I will post it on the group. But Tuesdays को mark कर लो. आप इसको follow करोगे ना target को, तो आपको automatically notifications आ जाएंगे. So you don't have to worry about it. Good evening, Neha. Welcome to the session. Okay, so guys, इस mock में. Okay, hi Arjun. So guys, this mock was unique for these reasons. Okay, so first I'll just give you a quick analysis of it. 2 minutes ka. What was the entire mix of questions. और उसके बाद, don't worry Soumya, we'll work on it. Hi Divyaroop. उसके बाद we'll work on the question. So even if you've not given it, it's okay. हाँ, थोड़ा मीट, करेक्ट, थोड़ा इजी होता है. हाय तन्मय. हाँ, टाइम काफी. सो गाइस, इस मॉक में टोटली 26 क्वेश्चंस थे. ठीक है, there were totally 26 questions in this mock. Out of those 26 questions, 24 questions were RC questions and only 2 questions were verbal reasoning. और verbal reasoning में भी वो questions थे para summary, या आप इसको essence of the text questions बुला लो. Hi Tanmay, Shivani, Ritesh. Now, the challenge that this RC, the 24 questions on RC presented was that the passages were long and some passages were extremely long passages. So here, especially, it became very important for students to skim and scan in order to get the right answers. Most of the questions were inference-based. Most of the questions, guys, can you all hear me or the volume is low? हाँ, यस अंशु, मैं आपको बताऊंगी. स्किमिंग एंड स्कैनिंग से ही मैनेज होगा. सिलेक्शन ऑफ क्वेश्चन से, स्किमिंग एंड स्कैनिंग से. ठीक है तन्मय, आप एक बार अपना चेक करो, थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज करो वॉल्यूम. Okay, perfect audio, done. Okay. So Harsha, we are discussing the level of this mock. Okay, hi Sakshi. So I'm just explaining the mix of questions. Okay, so you guys, जो 4 passages थे वो extremely lengthy थे. We'll come to that. But guys, I want seriously everyone to consider taking the Plus subscription. 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. अभी तो 12 months और 24 months पे ऑफर भी चल रहा है. आपको 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्री मिल रहा है. So जल्दी से कोड यूज करो रितु MBA and take this limited edition offer. Okay. Right. Now, Vishal, so in this case, a good attempt would have, out of the 26 questions, a good attempt would have been at least, I wanted all of you to attempt 19 to 20 questions with good accuracy, because the RCs were lengthy. It would have taken you a little bit more time, but आप easily 20 questions attempt कर सकते थे इसमें. Hi Preeti, hello Pallavi. Because see guys, you have to understand the mix of questions. The mix of questions were all overall inference based questions. ठीक है, तो guys, 2 questions थे VR के. Okay, so shall we get along with them first? हाँ या ना, उसको पहले खत्म कर दे. 2 questions को, no problem. Pallavi, how was your doctor's appointment? Okay. हाँ, सो नेहा 2 स्ट्रैटेजीज है यहाँ पे. आप या तो 3 आरसीज कर सकते थे, या तो आप सभी आरसीज में से थोड़े थोड़े सिलेक्शन ऑफ क्वेश्चंस ट्राई कर सकते थे. Okay, these were the 2 strategies that you could have employed, but there were 5 RCs. तो 5 RCs थे. So 4 RCs or 5 तो not possible. I would say 4 RCs you should. Hi Himanshu, welcome to the session. Okay, guys, let me explain to you how to go about these questions. अरे Pallavi, don't worry, you'll get better. थोड़ा screen time आप reduce कर दो. Hi Himanshu, good to see you. ठीक है वीर, we'll see. See, the passage is followed by 4 alternate summaries. Choose the option that best captures the essence of the passage. Hydrogen is one of the many ways to get serious about climate change without stopping commerce, without stopping motor vehicles. So guys, इतना आपको पढ़ना जरूरी नहीं है. Without stopping any commercial activity. Okay, we can shift these things over relatively quickly to hydrogen if we can get the cost down. Hydrogen offers a lot of benefits. Okay, for such as ये हमको उस पे focus नहीं करना है. यहाँ पे दिया benefits है. As long as you make the hydrogen from a clean source. The way it works is through electrolysis, a technology. ठीक है guys, अब आपको पता है paper lengthy है, so we'll have to start skimming and scanning. And you cannot, let your guard down even for 1 minute in an examination. आपको consistently speed maintain करनी है. Not that first 15 minutes you go about थोड़ा सा संभल के no, and then later you hurry. No. See, with minimal effects on economy drivers, hydrogen is a wise substitute for diesel. It's a substitute for diesel. Now guys, where do you come across diesel here? Where do you come across diesel here? यहाँ पे. But it says it offers a lot of benefits of diesel fuel. But they've not said that it's a substitute for diesel, right? Can I say this is not the main idea? Diesel over here is not the main idea. इसको eliminate कर देंगे. Reduced input cost. Hydrogen holds the key to emission free. ये बोल रहा है emission free world. Emission free world. Good evening. Good evening, guys. We are left with no other choice. Minimal effects on economic drivers, commerce, vehicles, factory, agriculture, clean fuel, clean source, clean earth. Clean earth because you're getting serious about climate change. So can I say that 4 gives us most of the points? D is the answer. Yes. So how much time did you take? You took 1 minute for this question. So guys, you need to be a little quick now. Why not B? Because B says emission free world. They don't say emission free. Okay, they've not said emission free. See, look at this. यहाँ अच्छा ठीक है, आपको emission free suppose you say, but ma'am here यहाँ पे दिया है ना, without the carbon emission or any emissions for that matter. Let us say I consider this also. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैं इसको consider करती हूँ. Now if you compare option 2 and 4, which option gives you the most important points when you say clean fuel, when you say economic drivers? Which option gives you more important points? Can I say D gives us more important points? So that's why the answer option is going to be D. So Karan, I will show you यहाँ पे जो RC passages है वो तो बहुत lengthy है. They were like 1000 words के RC passages. So we'll see how to skim and scan. Nahi, Harsha, you need to get over that. That's just a mental block that you have, that you will miss out ideas. Even if you miss out ideas, it's okay. The passage is right there. You need to get over this. It's just a perspective shift. That's all. You get that perspective shift. You'll be smooth. Okay. So try out करो ना, 2, 3, 4 mocks में करके देखो. फिर भी आपको लग रहा है आपके लिए वो स्ट्रैटेजी वर्क नहीं कर रही है, तो फिर आप शिफ्ट करो, ठीक है. बट इट विल वर्क, बट यू नीड टू सी. In mocks, you have nothing to lose, right? Even if you miss out a few ideas, even if your performance is really bad, you have nothing to lose. So try out that strategy in mocks, and mocks will help you eliminate that fear. हाँ, तो आकृति, in that case you have to select the one which gives you the most number of main ideas, or which gives us which gives us the author's position, like we discussed today in the YouTube class. Okay. Come on, guys. Now let's see this. Love is my most fundamental value because my other core values derive from it. It compels us to conduct our lives with regard to the well-being of ourselves. Love is universal. We have finite energy, finite time on the earth. It makes sense that we tend to denote most of our resources to those closest to us. Love goes hand in hand with compassion, benevolence. You're not going to remember these details. Just get to know the main idea. The author is talking positively about love, okay, and he talks about compassion and fundamental value and joy and fulfilling. Is practiced empathy, tolerance, so he uses a lot of feelings and emotions associated with love. Curiosity, knowledge, and growth is the bridge that connects us to the rest of existence. Powerful anchor establishes, okay, so you just get a sense of, you get a sense of the idea. You have to move fast, guys. You cannot let your guard down even for 1 second. Okay, now see this. Love as a value. This says as a value. Okay, this says as the most crucial value. You have to compare and eliminate options, right? One would find no joy in bringing dissent among people once he bears the value of love. Love as a fundamental value enables each one of us. Now, guys, can I eliminate option 1 and 3? Can I eliminate option 1 and 3, guys? हम लोग मोस्ट क्रूशियल वैल्यू और फंडामेंटल वैल्यू को रख सकते हैं. अ वैल्यू दैट डाइल्यूट्स द मीनिंग, राइट? ठीक है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर ऑप्शंस बी एंड डी. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर ऑप्शंस बी एंड डी. नहीं, रुको, देखो, क्रूशियल वैल्यू करेक्ट है ना? क्रूशियल का मतलब फंडामेंटली होगा. नहीं, यू कैन हैव सिमिलर मीनिंग्स, राइट? यू कैन हैव सिमिलर मीनिंग्स. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं वो सेम वर्ड यूज्ड हो. ठीक है, जरूरी. हाँ, सो मोस्ट फंडामेंटल मतलब क्रूशियल. सो मोस्ट क्रूशियल, मोस्ट फंडामेंटल, इट्स फाइन. See, enables us to grow intellectually in our lives in peace and harmony with others. Enables each one of us to find meaning for our lives and achieve knowledge and growth. Now compare, guys. Compare B या D में से कैसे compare करोगे आप? Hi अनुराग. Tell me. Come on, guys. D एलिमिनेट नहीं किया अभी तक अनुराग. B और D को सिलेक्ट किया है. ठीक है. Now, guys, can I say that we'll have to focus on the last few lines? It says knowledge and growth. Love is the bridge that connects each of us to the rest of existence and creates a sense of belonging. Powerful anchor that enables each one of us to find purpose and meaning. Okay. Now, I want you to compare options B and D. Enables us to grow intellectually. Can I say grow intellectually? Knowledge cover हो जाएगा. हाँ है ना? Grow intellectually मतलब knowledge cover हो जाएगा. Okay. Peace and harmony with others. Empathy दिया है. Tolerance दिया है. Compassion दिया है. Benevolence दिया है. Bonds of community दिया है ना? तो we can say peace and harmony with others दिया है. Enables each one of us to find meaning for our lives and achieve growth and knowledge. Now, you tell me, guys, which is a more holistic option? Which is a more holistic option? ये knowledge वाला point को focus मत करो, ये इधर भी है. So meaning for our lives is important or peace and harmony is important? Which one? Which covers? Okay, let's poll. Come on. I'll still get some A's and C's. No, I haven't got any today. Very good. Where is Shubham Chakrabarti? Hasn't joined. Hello, Shubham. Okay. Guys, can you justify? Which is more holistic, guys? I underlined so many words: compassion, benevolence, empathy, tolerance. I talked about understand, accept those around us. Okay, ये सिर्फ बात कर रहा है meaning and knowledge and growth. 2 lines. 2 lines. Which option encompasses most of the lines? Which option compares correctly? Everything is included now, guys. Whether you talk about strong bonds of community, others, okay, it talks about everything, tolerance, empathy, everything. So can I say that the answer option is B? Yes, will all of you agree with this? Hi, Santosh. Most crucial, यहाँ पे देखो, most fundamental, most crucial, same thing na, important, essential, fundamental, same thing. Synonymous na, Ritik. Hi, Shivam. Got it, guys? हाँ, पर यहाँ पर भी माय नहीं है ना, यहाँ पर भी माय नहीं है. Hi, Sachi. Okay, come on. Correct. Now, guys, ये देखो, this passage is lengthy. I can categorize this passage as lengthy, right? I will have a look at the questions quickly first. From the passage, it can be inferred that incarceration seems to be a problem in the United States. Okay, according to the author of the passage is most likely to support, inference, support, main purpose of the passage, summary of the 5th para. So can I say that they are inference-based questions, guys? Can I say they're inference-based questions? The minute you see that they're inference-based questions, you don't have to worry too much about missing out on details, guys. You understand the main idea of the passage, you will be fine. Passage हमेशा आपके सामने तो रहेगा. हाँ, I will, Pallavi. Okay, so let's see how to skim and scan. Okay, just watch, guys. I mean, just focus. In the past few years, Americans have begun, first and last para I will focus on. Okay, in the past few years, Americans have begun to recognize that the United States, with fewer than, okay, has a mass incarceration. Incarceration means imprisonment. Problem. People from across the political spectrum, criminal law has been the solution to too many problems. It cages too many people. Okay, it's infused with racial bias. So can I say I have 2 important words here? Sorry, 2 important phrases here. Mass incarceration, problem with racial bias. Yes, you have to note them down, guys. You cannot let them go. Para 1, mass incarceration problem, racial bias. You can use short form if you want. Just write RACE, race, enough. That's understandable. There's a real question whether Americans' nascent turn against incarceration can be squared with Me Too. Now the author introduces Me Too. Okay, cultural revolution, new civil rights movement. What am I doing? How do you skim and scan, guys? Skim and scan does not see. See, guys, there are 2 types of skimming and scanning. Okay, there's a huge confusion regarding skimming and scanning because most of you tell me, even today, आप लोगों ने बोला details miss हो जाएंगे, details miss हो जाएंगे. So, guys, 2 type के skimming and scanning होते हैं. एक तो when you skip a lot of details Why do you skip a lot of details? Because I know anyway I'm not going to remember them, or they are too technical. Okay, like it's a scientific passage, एक पूरा technical process को explain किया गया है. If there's a question on that, I will come back to that paragraph. Anyway, I'm not going to remember the technical fact. This way of, you know, and the other way of skimming and scanning is you eliminate sentence builders and you focus only on key phrases. So when I say skimming and scanning, I don't expect you always to blow out, you know, various sections of the paragraph. That generally we have done it in case of two technical passages, two jargon based passages, two database passages. What I would expect you to do is at least ignore sentence builders and just focus on the key phrases. अब यहाँ पे देखो, I have ignored all of this. That became so popular in recent years that no, I focused on the key phrases. Okay, Me Too chapter, feminism. Okay, now zero tolerance against women. Black Lives Matter protesters call to defund the police. What about molestations and domestic violence? The main message of the two movements can't easily be reconciled. Okay, you try and understand. So this passage talks about Me Too. It says it was a new civil rights movement, cultural revolution, zero tolerance of violence against women. Many have responded to Black Lives Matter protesters called to defund the police by asking, what about what? So guys, these are all, हाँ, तो आप सिर्फ key phrases पे focus करो. Okay, Me Too, okay, is at its core carceral or incarceration centric. Black Lives Matter and associated movements are anti-carceral. अब ये देखो, यहाँ पे difference आया है. Difference क्या है? Me Too, it's incarceration centric. Incarceration centric मतलब you have to keep inferring also as you read. मतलब जो भी गलत कर रहा है उसको जेल भेजो. But Black Lives Matter is anti-carceral, कि लोगों को जेल मत डालो. Did you understand the difference, guys? Did you understand the difference? Okay, now see what the author is saying. The tide is finally, so Anurag ये बोल रहा है Me Too जो है it's incarceration centric. Me Too वाले क्या बोलते हैं feminist कि जो भी violence कर रहा है, जो भी कुछ कर रहा है उसको जेल में डालो. So Me Too is incarceration centric. Whereas Black Lives Matter is anti-incarceration. Black Lives Matter ये बोल रहा है कि जो हमारा system है वो पूरा completely broken down है. It is against sending anyone and everyone with racial bias to jail. Okay, got it, guys? हाँ, so उनका जो intention है, message है, वो contradictory है. इनका जो message है, वो contradictory है. Okay, now author का final opinion देखो. The tide is finally turning against mass incarceration. Even Me Too feminists should get on board. They should also agree कि incarceration नहीं चाहिए. They should rescue their agenda from police, from prosecution and punishment. So guys, can I say that the author himself is an anti-incarceration guy? Anti-jail, jail mat bhejo. He says, Me Too वालों को तुम भी ये join कर लो. तुम भी jail से, you know, don't get into that area. So it's very important to infer. Skimming and scanning का ये मतलब नहीं है कि वो 5 minutes you just focus on अरे क्या हटाऊं. You should also understand the message, right? You should also, that's what inferring is about. So you infer only the author's opinion points. Okay, right, let's continue reading. Elizabeth Bernstein coined the term carceral feminism. Some late 20th century feminists, unyielding commitment to law and order, feminism's larger drift from the welfare state to the carceral state. So ये carceral feminism वो है जो बहुत ज़्यादा believe करते jail में, like incarceration में, imprisonment में. Many in the Me Too movement focus on workplace equality, women's political empowerment, but focus on these contradictory words. यहाँ पे author का opinion reflect होता है. The movement generally remains committed to the criminal law. It's focused too much on law. Okay, 23 years behind bars, criminalization programs. This incarceral impulse is powerful. तो ये पैरा सिर्फ बोल रहा है कि how Me Too movement is very, very carceral in nature. When I was a law student, now you'll get to know the author's opinion. Okay, I equated prosecution of gender crimes with justice. I worried more about defending a man charged with a misdemeanor crime of domestic violence than someone charged with murder. What does that mean? I instinctively equated prosecution of gender crimes with justice. इसको चाहिए था कि justice मिले. तो अगर किसी एक मैन को वायलेंस के साथ चार्ज किया गया है, he wants justice for that man if he feels that it's wrong. Okay. I practiced in a specialized domestic violence court, feminism built and all that. I saw a revolving door of incarceration, poor people of color, didn't serve victims very well. I saw prosecutors proceed with cases against women's wishes. Judges refuse. So guys, can I say that the author says that the law system is not good? America का US system is not good. हाँ या ना? Okay. अब इसका एक पैरा का एक बार आइडिया समझ में आ गया. So move on. In the fight against gender violence, criminal law should be the last resort. Okay, got it, guys? Got it? Did you understand the main idea? Shall we come to the questions now? तो थोड़ा सा हमको main idea पता चल गया. हमको पता चल गया कि author कहाँ पे focused है. Okay, now the passage is always in front of us, so don't worry if you miss out on anything as well, because the passage is always in front of us. Okay, let's start with the first one. I'll show you how to eliminate the options now. Me Too and Black Lives Matter movements are incarceration centric. Are both of them incarceration centric? Are both of them incarceration centric? No. Me Too movement is carceral. Black Lives Matter is anti-carceral. Yes, एक जेल पे फोकस्ड है, एक एंटी इनकार्सरेशन है. Both are anti-carceral? No. Me Too is anti-carceral? No. Can I clearly say that the answer option is B? Can I clearly say हमने infer कर लिया, हमको answer मिल गया? That's all. Okay, let's go to the second one. Incarceration seems to be the problem in the United States, and in recent years there have been two famous movements, Me Too and Black Lives Matter. Both are likely to alleviate the situation. Alleviate matlab improve. Both are likely to aggravate or worsen. One is likely to alleviate the situation, other will aggravate it. Both will neither alleviate nor aggravate. Ab guys, aap log decide based on the previous question, based on what we have inferred, answer this, okay? You're talking about incarceration is the problem. तो ये जो दो movements है, इनका incarceration की तरफ क्या stand है? Do both of them have the same stand? Will both of them improve? Will both of them worsen? Will both of them do nothing? Okay, let's poll. I can see most of you are going down the right route. See, जो Black Lives Matter है, that is going to improve the situation because that is anti-carceral. And Me Too is, you know, pro-carceral, so that will aggravate or worsen the situation. So answer option will be C. Okay, the author of the passage is most likely to support. Which one will the author support, guys? हमको clearly दिख गया है. Author किसको support करेगा? Let's poll. Let's poll, guys. Excellent. He's going to support the Black Lives Matter movement because he feels that he says, "Arey, Me Too wale, you two get on board." So he's not going to support the Me Too movement. He says you should change your perspective and get on board with anti-imprisonment or anti-incarceration. So he's going to support the Black Lives movement. He's clearly in favor of anti-carceral. Okay, correct. What is the main purpose of the passage? Come on, guys. To address the problem of incarceration and provide a solution for it. To highlight the contrast between Me Too and Black Lives Matter. Support Black Lives Matter and oppose Me Too. Highlight the impact of the two movements on the carceration problem in America. Now, come on, guys, do this smartly. What is the main purpose? I'm not going to help you much with this. Okay, one sec. ओके गाइस, आपको मेन नहीं शुभम ध्यान दो, आपको मेन पर्पस देखना है. Why has the author written this passage, keeping the context and everything in mind. हाँ, yes Pallavi. No Mrinal, we barely spent 4 minutes and that's a good time. Come on guys, let's poll. Guys, how can you go with? He does not provide a solution for it. See guys, there are three things which are important here. Can I say that there are three main ideas? One is the incarceration problem in America, Black Lives Matter, and Me Too movement. Which option talks about all the three? It's so simple. Which option talks about all the three? 4. The main purpose is not to talk about Me Too and Black Lives. That takes up most of the passage. Yes, but that's not why he's written the passage. Yes or no? That's not why he's written the passage. Guys, did all of you understand this? America was very important. Incarceration problem is important. The two movements are important. Purpose, why has he lifted his pen? He has not lifted his pen to talk about just Me Too and Black Lives. He's talking about Me Too and Black Lives in the backdrop of the incarceration problem in America. Did all of you understand and follow this? Hi, Rishabh. Are very good, Rishabh. Very happy. Kiss exam mein? Okay, which of the following can be regarded as a summary of? हाँ, yes, of course, Veer. 5th para. चलो 5th para पे चलते एक बार. So this is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. When I saw वाला. ठीक है, guys, एक बार options देख ले पहले. Before reading the whole para, एक बार options देख ले पहले. Good, Rishabh. Very happy. But कौन सा exam? अरे very good. I'm so happy, Rishabh. Okay, come on. There is a prevalent racial discrimination in the American judicial system and the author is not happy with it. There is prevalent gender discrimination. यहाँ racial discrimination दिया है, यहाँ gender discrimination दिया है. There is racial discrimination in the American judicial system and the Black Lives Matter. This talks about racial discrimination and Black Lives Matter. This says gender discrimination है and Me Too movement is the need of the hour. एक ऑप्शन को अभी एलिमिनेट कर दो गाइस. कौन से ऑप्शन को एलिमिनेट कर देंगे यहाँ पे? Which option shall we eliminate? 4th one. He does not say Me Too movement is the need of the hour. He does not say Me Too movement is the need of the hour. Okay, अब पहले चेक कर लो जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के बारे में है वो पैरा या रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. What is that para about? Go check guys. What is the para about? Gender discrimination or racial discrimination? Have we calculated 5th para? 1 minute. Okay guys, come on, try this out. Okay, shall we poll? Hi Atul. Let's poll. Be careful guys. ठीक है, सॉरी पोल डाल दिया, कोई बात नहीं, आप लोग टाइम ले लो. वेरी गुड प्रतीक, एक्सीलेंट प्रतीक्षा, वेरी गुड अमोल. Yes, Pragati. I'll explain, Neha. Started Pragati. Veer. Okay, guys, you just focused on the word. You didn't focus on the idea. ये देखो, okay, ये देखो, ठीक है? Just look at the last line. For all those years, I indulged the false equivalence between prosecution and gender justice. वो बोल रहा है कि when I started out, when I was a law student and when I was a public defender, I always used to look at gender crimes, gender crimes, gender crimes. Sorry, Devanshi, I'll give you more time. I always used to look at gender crimes. But then he realized gender justice neither produces gender equality nor justice. Q. Because look at this. People of color. I saw prosecutors against women's wishes. So it was not just a gender issue. Women didn't want their husbands to be prosecuted, but still they would go along with it because they were people of color. So he, for a long time, he was just equating gender, gender, gender. But he realized that the more important issue is not gender here. The more important issue is people of color. Did you understand this? Did you understand this, guys? Yes or no? That false equivalence point. He says, for a long time, I spent, really long time focusing on gender. But I realized that it was the people of color. Deportable here, matlab unko deport kar dete the. Jaise if they were immigrants, they would send them back to their home country. Okay. So the real issue at play over here is racial discrimination. People of color. Did all of you understand this? See, guys, आपको C भी eliminate कर देना चाहिए था because in this entire para, Black Lives Matter is not mentioned. It was only about gender discrimination or racial discrimination. So the answer option will be A. Got it? Very good. Wonderful, guys. Excellent. Okay. Good, guys. Come on. Shall we go to the next one? Shall we try the next one out? Okay. So, guys, now the next passage, you tell me, should it be the next one that we should go along with? Which of the following is false? Which of the following can be inferred from the passage and look at the statistics? Which of the following is not a factor? Which of the following the students would most likely not benefit? Can I say all of these are data-based questions? Can I say all of these are data-based questions? What challenge does that pose? What challenge does that see? There are two, it's a two-edged sword. It's a two-edged sword. Why? Because if you take it up and you read the passage, you will have to depend a lot on the passage. क्योंकि inference नहीं है तो skimming and scanning work नहीं करेगा. यहाँ पे skimming and scanning work नहीं करेगा. क्यों नहीं work करेगा? Because you have to remember data. Okay. हाँ, good, Pallavi. Yes. So guys, can I say that you can keep this for later and you can do reverse reading, or if you want to do it now, we'll do it now. But it might take a lot of time trying to find the answer options. That you have to be okay with. So I personally would keep it for later and I would do reverse reading. मतलब जितने 2-3 questions हो पाते last के 5 minute में I would try and do it. एक या दो भी हो जाए तो ठीक है. If I keep it in the middle now, I'm going to spend a good 15-20 minutes just searching everywhere. But we'll just try it out through reverse reading यहाँ पे. Okay, not that we are going in the. But I would suggest that you keep it later. Shall we do this reverse reading? Yes, correct. Read. Okay. So guys, ये जो है ये open ended है. ये जो है वो open ended है. इसका आंसर कहीं पे भी मेंशन हो सकता है. मतलब there are 4 different options. Okay. Now, can I start with something that is more specific? जैसे students हो गया, management हो गया, या vibrant museum movement हो गया, something which is more specific in nature. Okay. This is going to take time. Okay, this is going to take time. Come on. 6% यहाँ पे, 2 लाख यहाँ पे. इसको देख लें. 6% और 2 लाख वाला कर लें. दिख रहा है तो. Can be inferred. The museum has over 2 lakh historical documents A little more than 6% of the collection of the museum is at display. The author is an archaeologist and a museum curator. The museum is continuously expanding its artifacts collection. The museum has over 2 lakh cultural collections and less than 6% are on display. ये क्या बोल रहा है? Historical documents and more than 6%. Shall we eliminate this? Shall we eliminate these two? Okay, the author is an archaeologist and a museum curator. अब देखना पड़ेगा author क्या है. ये बोल रहा है the collection numbers have been increasing manifold. They will only increase further. They will only increase further. So guys, can I say it's continuously expanding is correct? Even though we don't get D, can we take a calculated guess and go with 1? Shall we take a calculated guess and go with 1? Okay. Okay. Come on, फिर next one. ये भी देख लेते हैं. The National Museum in Delhi is very crucial. All countries have shifted. All countries. इस पे focus करना. Egyptian National Museum is at Tahiri Square. National Museum in Delhi is being shifted to the north and south blocks. Okay, let's see which of these is false. Okay, you have to tell me which of these is false. Which one are you going to check first, guys? Which किसमें लगता है आपको थोड़ा सा distortion होगा? B में all countries. एक बार उसको check कर लो. Check once. Examples from other countries. Other countries have talked about a planned move. Where have they mentioned all countries? This clearly talks about Delhi Wala Museum. This talks about National Museum Institute directly. No. Guys, can I say 2 is going to be the answer? Many countries there, not all countries. Okay, so our answer option is going to be 2. Okay, very good. Next one. Which of the following is not a factor in management of museums? Space, or exhibitions, international collections, conduct the business from campuses. Come on. Management of museums. Space, yes. Exhibition areas. Outgoing and incoming cultural collections. Space for storage. Bring more collections. Okay, which of these points are not mentioned, guys? All. Oh, very good, 100%. Guys, not mentioned. Okay, which of the following the students would most likely not benefit from? Increased collection, lab, teaching Egyptian mythology. Teaching Egyptian mythology. Guys, students का point यहाँ पे है. How will students benefit from teaching Egyptian mythology? अरे पल्लवी डोंट वरी, एकदम क्विकली ना हमको थोड़ा सा आंसर चेक करना है, ठीक है? देखो आई एक्सप्लेन दिस क्वेश्चन. अब यहाँ पे देखो, आपको कीवर्ड्स ढूंढने पड़ेंगे. इट्स गोना बी अ लिटिल रिस्की. ओके, सो ओनली व्हेन यू आर लाइक 80% sure about it, go with it. Now think about this, guys. Students will benefit from increased collection, lab teaching. We will go and check it. But teaching Egyptian mythology, why would students benefit from teaching Egyptian mythology? Why would students benefit from teaching Egyptian mythology? यहाँ पे एक बार दिया है, वो इजिप्ट का एग्जाम्पल के बारे में दिया है. Where else have they mentioned Egyptian mythology? But what will the students benefit from? They will gain from collections, storage, conservation, interpretation, lab, teaching. तो ये तो दिया है, teaching दिया है, lab दिया है, collections दिया है. Correct. So what can I go with as my answer? Which of the following they will not benefit from? They will not benefit from teaching Egyptian mythology. Lab से benefit करेंगे, teaching से benefit करेंगे, increased collection से benefit करेंगे. Got it, guys? Okay. Vibrant museum movement in India might not consist of good education space, using technology creatively, outreach and education for visitors, movement for buildings, museums across India. Might not consist of. Okay, now देखते हैं vibrant museum movement. ये देखो vibrant museum movement. Please read this carefully. Guys, just give me 1 minute. Just give me 30 seconds. I'll be back. I'll just have water. Just give me 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, guys, shall we check this out? Come on, let's poll. Good. Education था, technology था, every visitor के लिए must था. Education space, technology, outreach and education must visit for each visitor. Clearly तीनों दिया है ना guys. Answer option is 4. Got it, everyone? Did all of you understand this? Okay. I don't think we have time for one more question. 1 minute. I'll take up your doubt. Vishal, आप हो? आपका जो doubt है वो मैं explain करती हूँ. Guys, please make sure that you join these batches. Okay, let's have a look at Vishal's doubt, guys. अरे विशाल, वो question मिट गया. आप एक बार वापस डाल सकते हो? See the leaderboard. हाँ यस देवांशी आस्क। वो क्वेश्चन पे मैंने क्लिक कर दिया था ना तो मिट जाता है if I don't take it up. So guys, how is your preparation going on? अगर आप मेरे को बताओ VA में हाउ कंफर्टेबल, लाइक 100% में से आपको क्या लगता है आपकी कितनी प्रिपरेशन हो चुकी है? Like how comfortable are you? What's been your accuracy? LRDI quant पे will come. VA पे how much do you feel? 70%, 75? वो vocabulary and grammar question है पल्लवी. Why अनुराग? ठीक है, डोंट वरी नेहा, वी आर स्टार्टिंग द प्लस कोर्स गाइस. जिनको आरसी में प्रॉब्लम है डोंट वरी, वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द प्लस कोर्स. इट स्टार्ट्स ऑन 18th. आई वांट एवरी सिंगल वन ऑफ यू टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. हाँ इजी वे में एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. सो मोर मॉक्स मृणाल. Okay, you're a beginner. Okay, Karan. Guys, I want all of you to take your subscription. DA के लिए भी होगा. Okay, so Vishal, Hania, how's your accuracy first? Time का I will help. Like accuracy कैसी है आपकी पहले? $70 to $80. So accuracy is fine. Yours 66. Okay. Okay, guys, don't worry. एक काम करते हैं. I don't want to do it in a very haphazard manner. We'll do one thing. I'll keep one session wherein we'll discuss strategy. So you want that session on special class or on YouTube? Where do you want that session? We'll do it on Plus also. But वो session कहाँ पे चाहिए? I think special would be better. Special. Okay, most of you have gone with special. So tomorrow is Wednesday, right? So guys, else wait. What's the schedule like? Okay, we'll hold it soon, guys. Kal ka session I've already like scheduled the name of it, but it's okay. We'll take it up as an I'll schedule one special session wherein we'll discuss strategy this week, इसी week में. Okay, done Seleni. Like strategy discuss करने के लिए पल्लवी. Okay, now I'll take up Vishal's doubt, guys. Vishal का doubt है कि main idea कैसे figure करना है. Amol, that will only come through practice and technique. Attend the plus courses, guys. Everyone, nahi Pallavi, will take it on special. Okay, now listen to this, guys. Pre-election budgets are not what they used to be. Once upon a time, governments could be relied on to ply the electorate with extravagant giveaways in the run-up to polling day. Today's voters are an edible lot, so a more subtle approach is required. Gordon Brown's second pre-election budget, like his first, avoided traditional tax bribes. Britain's chancellor opted for a selection of sweeteners carefully directed at vital electoral target groups: pensioners, poorer families, and aspiring home buyers. तो ये बोल रहा है कि पहले विशाल फर्स्ट. हाँ डन अंशु. So पहले ये बोल रहा है, हाँ आपके लिए ब्लरी है मीट, वो मेरे को इधर थोड़ा सा क्लियर व्यू है. डो वारी आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन 2 minutes में. ओके, सो विशाल ये बोल रहा है कि पहले जो है गवर्नमेंट्स यूज्ड टू स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन गिवअवेज, मतलब एकदम एक्सट्रावेगेंटली लोगों में पैसा बांटते थे, ठीक है, इलेक्शंस के वक्त. बट अब ऐसे नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वोटर्स समझदार हो गए हैं. तो दे डू गिव ब्राइब्स, बट उनको थोड़ा सा सटल वे में करना है, थोड़ा सा इनडायरेक्ट वे में करना है. सो यहाँ पे जो फोकस है वो ये है, इस पे सटल अप्रोच एंड whom are they targeting. Okay, the similarity between the two budgets ends there. In 2001, the public finances were exceeding healthy, including measures announced in his Mr. Brown was able to give away 8 billion. Okay. Mr. Brown was in a much weaker position. Even the wee sweeties he handed out were far too much, bearing in mind how bad the figures now look. So ये बोल रहा है कि पर अब बजट जो है अब और कम है, पहले के टाइम में बजट बहुत ज्यादा होता था. So what is the topic? The topic over here is pre-election budget. Pre-election budget difference between now and previously. अभी जो है सटल अप्रोच होना चाहिए, डायरेक्ट नहीं हो सकता, अभी उनके पास बजट भी कम है, बस इतना ही है, 2 ही पॉइंट है। एवरी पैरा विल गिव यू 1 मेन पॉइंट विशाल, आपको बस वो एक पॉइंट ढूंढना है फ्रॉम एवरी पैरा। गॉट इट गाइस? डिड ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? No, Salini, don't skip it. At least try out the questions which are direct in nature or which are very overall inference based. 2 पैरा 3 पैरा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, then you skip it. So main idea, topic, theme is the same thing. उसको differentiate मत करो विशाल, आपको एग्जाम में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। इन दोनों चीजों में डिफरेंशिएट करो, मेन आइडिया में डिफरेंशिएट करो और पर्पस में डिफरेंशिएट करो, और चीजों में डिफरेंशिएट मत करो। मेन आइडिया मतलब जो सबसे ज्यादा पैसेज किस चीज के बारे में बात करता है, पर्पस मतलब ऑथर ने पैसेज को लिखा क्यों है, पर टॉपिक सेंट्रल आइडिया उनमें डिस्टिंग्विशिंग मत करो। हाँ एग्जैक्टली करण, सो द टॉपिक एंड द मेन आइडिया इज द सेम, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन मेन आइडिया एंड पर्पस। तो मेन आइडिया बोल लो, सेंट्रल आइडिया बोल लो, थीम बोल लो, ये सब सेम है। पर्पस थोड़ा सा ये है कि ऑथर, व्हाट इज द मेन पॉइंट दैट द ऑथर वांट्स द रीडर्स टू अंडरस्टैंड, व्हाई हैज ही लिफ्टेड हिज पेन। Primarily concerned with is what is the passage is primarily concerned with purpose. Purpose, what is the main purpose, like what is the main concern that the author wants to drive? Got it guys? Did all of you understand these points? Okay, yes Salini, like when you say anytime soon, like how soon, tell me, I'll schedule it. Like what, especially like what topic and vocabulary? Guys, I want all of you to take the Iconic subscription, live mentorship program, top B school graduates, concept, strategy, doubts, study plan, everything. It's very, very easy, guys. Are, thank you Priyanka, that's so sweet. I will see you then tomorrow. Wait guys, हाँ कल 12 बजे guys. I want to see all the plus subscribers in tomorrow's 12 PM 12 noon class. ठीक है विशाल। हाँ, I will schedule a class on it, Anshu, don't worry. Yes, you can practice it, Vishal. I have posted the answer keys as well. So this was the 2 para summary question. This is the first passage, second passage, third passage, fourth passage. Okay, तो आप try कर लेना, या तो आप mock भी दे सकते हो। Done, हाँ done Pallavi, I will share today. Okay, bye guys, take care. Campus placement interviews for plus subscribers, free sessions मिल रहे हैं, जल्दी से plus subscription लो guys, download the app and don't forget to apply the code Ritu MBA. No Salini, increase it, it has to be at least 4. पहले 3 करो फिर 4 करो। Correct Vishal. Bye guys, take care everyone. I will see you all tomorrow, 12 noon plus subscribers, 5 PM YouTube and 8 PM our usual special class. जो भी subscription ले रहा है, don't forget to apply the code Ritu MBA and take the subscription soon. Okay, take care everyone. Tata, bye. Bye guys, take care. हाँ, done Vishal. You wanna see daily मतलब? You want me to send 1 RC daily or you are asking 1 RC? अच्छा, 1 RC daily in our sessions. Okay. हाँ, 1 RC daily in our sessions. Done. I will. Okay, take care guys. Bye everyone. Take care. Bye guys. Take care. See you all soon. Bye.